In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Call-E to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so the connection is smooth and hassle-free. Start on your ChatGPT home screen. Look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile. This is the little avatar or initial that opens your account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you into the control center where you manage preferences and connections. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. That's where all app integrations live, and it's the place we need to be. Next, click either Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both options take you to the app directory. Think of this as a catalog where you can find tools that plug directly into ChatGPT. At the top, you'll find a search field. Click into that field and type Call-E. Be sure to include the hyphen and double-check your spelling. If nothing appears right away, give it a second or clear any filters that might be hiding results. When Call-E appears in the results, click it to open its page, then press Connect. This is the action that starts the linking process between Call-E and your ChatGPT account. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions. These may include granting permissions, confirming which workspace you want to use, or acknowledging what information the app can access. Take a quick moment to read those prompts so you're comfortable with what you're enabling. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and approve to continue. While the connection is being set up, keep the window open and avoid refreshing the page. Most connections complete in moments, and you'll usually see a confirmation message indicating that Call-E is now connected. If you see any optional setup notes, follow them right there so everything is ready on first use. In some cases, the app may provide a short getting started guide within the same window. Feel free to review it so you know the best way to interact with Call-E inside ChatGPT. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Apps, explored the app directory, searched for Call-E, clicked Connect, and followed the instructions. From now on, Call-E should be available whenever you need it inside ChatGPT, and you'll be ready to take advantage of its features without extra steps. If anything looks different in your interface, the labels will be very close to what we covered today, and the flow remains the same. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Call-E with ChatGPT.